Hello and welcome guys. Let's understand question 8 first part. For the matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, verify that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. The answer is A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. A transpose is equal to 1, 6, 5, 7. A plus A transpose is equal to, substituting the values of A and A transpose, we get 1, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 6, 5, 7. 1 plus 1 is 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, 6 plus 5 is 11, 7 plus 7 is 14. So yeah, A plus A transpose would be 2, 11, 11, 14. Now A plus A transpose whole transpose would be 2, 11, 11, 14. We have A plus A transpose is equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. Hence A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Let's move on to the second part. For the matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, verify that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. The answer is A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, taken from the question. A transpose would be 1, 6, 5, 7. A minus A transpose would be 1, 5, 6, 7 minus 1, 6, 5, 7. That would be 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 6 would be minus 1. 6 minus 5 would be 1. 7 minus 7 would be 0. That is A minus A transpose would be 0 minus 1, 1, 0. We have A minus A transpose is equal to minus A transpose whole transpose. Hence, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix.